You excited about going to the dentist for the first time?
Yes.
All right, we're going to Cool Smiles, first time. What's up?
Mom, I'm so excited. I'm so excited.
All right. All right.
Riot. I say riot.
What's your name?
Riot.
Right, what?
My name.
Okay. Hold on.
I'm so excited, Mom. I'm so excited.
You are? You excited to get to the dentist? It's your first time, right? Yeah? So
Yeah.
I told you what they're going to do, right? They're going to clean your teeth and look at them and stuff. Yeah? You're not scared? Of course not.
Is it going to be
Huh?
good for me?
What's that?
Is it going to be good for me?
Yeah, it'll make your teeth clean, right?
Mm-hmm.
Your teeth to be clean, right?
Dirty.
Yeah?
Dirty again.
All right.
Dirty again.
Get that now? Yeah, well, they're not dirty. You brushed them this morning, but they're going to make them special clean.
Special?
Yeah, specially clean. How you like that? You like that? All right, great.
Okay.
First visit to the dentist. So, how was your first cleaning?
It's really fun.
It didn't hurt or anything? Yeah? Do your teeth feel better? Really? Let's see. Oh, yeah. Open mouth. Let's see. Oh, yeah. So what did they do to it? What did the lady do? Do you remember? Do you know what she was doing? What did she do?
Put some water in my mouth.
She put some water in your mouth? Did she brush your teeth? And floss? All right. Congratulations. Congratulations. It is. Find something else that you know what it is. Look in there. You got glasses. You like glasses? Oh, yeah. You like glasses and toilet. But I don't know what that is either. You like sunglasses? You like sunglasses? No, I don't know that. She said get one. How many can you get? Get one. I think. I don't know.